Mai I te kōpū o te whaia ki te kōpū o te whenua, ka tū rangatira ai te poi tarawhiti Māori o Aotearoa hei huarahi whai o ranga whānau.
No, ngā te awa ahoi. Engari, noho ana ki te papaioia, ki Manawatu. Well, I guess my nanny Waina, was one of the founders of, well, I believe one of the founders of Māori Netball. So my journey started with her as a baby coming to Māori Netball. She picking me up from Palmerston North and taking me to all the national events. So my first part of Māori Netball was being a pepe coming through, and then a player, coaching, and now part of the executives. She left for me an understanding and being compassionate, understanding that people come from different places and there's different kawa tikanga, but also to hold strong in what you believe in, and how you can, I guess, be a leader for your people. So she was an inspiration for me in terms of her commitment to the kaupapa, and I often get told that I'm like her in so many ways, travelling and getting to kaupapa from kaupapa. So I guess for her it was the love of the game, but the commitment for the kaupapa. So she's taught me how to bring my own spin into that as well. I believe we need to be a little bit more innovative around how we can see our kaupapa flourishing. We've done amazingly for the last 37 years, and now we want to see how many other touch points we can have for our Māori wahine or kohine. You know, having Easter is a really good opportunity, but how can we spread it around the year so we can eventually, hopefully, get our teams on that international stage. Whakawhanaungatanga has been a big one for me, I guess, with my koro Jerry as well, being the kaumātua of all kaumātua for Waiariki. You know, we joked about it in the car park just before around how the way he got up, he would talk for 45 minutes, but in his kōrero, he always acknowledged everyone that came, the take that were going on within the times, and how each rohe kind of had to hold fast and steady for all those bumps that they had on their road. So I guess for me it was just, whakawhanaungatanga, but also rangatiratanga as well. Are probably two that I've really taken on board, yeah. The rangatahi out there is just to carry on the legacy of your whānau, to be proud of being wahine Māori, and to keep going, because we want to keep this kaupapa going for life. Hauora and oranga was always the pinpoint of why we do Māori netball. That is the first, netball comes second. So making sure that our wahine, we have the whare tangata, we are the ones that carry on the next generation. So how do we keep fit and healthy within this kaupapa, and Māori netball being that driving mechanism for that. So for us is making sure that they're eating well, they're looking after their tinana, hinengaro, wairoa hoki, and making sure that they are fit and ready to get on the court, but they're also fit and ready to carry on the next generation there. So yeah.